Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 King Ranch. Coming in this nice white and bronze coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter PowerScope turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 off-road package. Taking a look at the back here, we got that lovely tow hitch, rear park sensing, the lovely King Ranch logo, backup camera. We do get a bed liner as well, with a nice tailgate step. We get a bed camera as well, which is pretty handy to keep an eye on your goods. Mud flaps on the rear, a nice power-deployable running board that is gripped and will go up when you close your doors. Mud flaps on the front, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicated. And moving to the front, we do have front park sensing, recovery hoods, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice brown leather interior. It's perforated, which is pretty nice. Plenty of door space. Oh my. B&O sound system. You got the leathering on the door as well. King Ranch logo stitched into the leathering. Cup holders, heated back seats, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs at 120 volt. And of course you can fold this out for cup holders and arm space. And you do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage, floor mats, carpet interior, and all that fun stuff. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have powered seats as well as massaging. Same leather interior we saw in the back there with a powered passenger seat as well. Plenty of door space up front. King Ranch logo. Powered door mirrors. Memory seating for up to 3 drivers. You got your lights, spotlights, tailgate, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 38 kilometers. We do get this heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, King Ranch logo, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, trip and feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see it on the vehicles ahead of me. Just limit your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road. Gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage cup holders. You get 2 more, if need be. Wireless charging pad with some outlets down there, and it does close. Got the King Ranch logo stitched onto the center console as well. Tons of storage, lights, and some USB-Cs. Dry modes with rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated and cooled front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above. Got the King Ranch logo stitched into the dash as well, storage below, storage above, 6 upfitter switches which you can set up however you please with a nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking here, we do get a 360 view of our vehicle with different views you can click into, like this one where you can look at your bed, you can look at your tow hitch as well, so you can guide it in there, hazards and traction, engine brake and hill. And looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, and Bluetooth with the Sirius XM, phone, navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, power tailgate, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, will be right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. Going to click into here for your massaging seats as well, which is perfect for the passenger or driver for those long car rides. And there's a button on the side there you can click and you can easily access this and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is ED26025, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.